Hey, what's happening everybody? Donnie here, and today I got a pretty cool thing going on. We're gonna have a giveaway from Radiolink. They're gonna do a giveaway on this RC6, the GS V3 here. And this model right here, guys, you seen I did a review on a couple of my Traxxas cars. This can go on anything, not just Traxxas, but you could see how far of a range I got on that. And it was just amazing, especially on that X-Max. It was just, I went over 500 feet with no problem at all, no hesitation whatsoever. This thing's good for 1900 feet, so that's 600 meters or so. Really good range, excellent range, guys. Got a lanyard. So this thing is 2.4 gigahertz. It's got 7 channels, so you can program blinkers, all kinds of stuff in this. If you have a crawler or for your race car, you can drag, you can do anything you want. It's also got 30 different models you could program in here. So if you have 30 different cars, boats, you know, whatever you have, you could program in here. You could put the name of it, program it in there, set it up the way you want, all your settings. So it's a really good controller, guys. So right now I think it's I'm gonna look on Amazon. I got my phone right here. It's going for $79.99, and then you got a $4 coupon you could apply on a box on there. But we have Amazon Prime days coming up. There's a sale coming up October 11th to the 12th. Radiolink is going to be part of that sale. So guys, please check it out. These radios will drop prices October 11th through the 12th on those Prime days, okay? So check that out as well. So for this giveaway, let's get to the details. Of course, you got to be 18 or older, or at least have a parent help you with this. You want to subscribe to Radiolink, but for that giveaway it's going to be about a week long, so I'll choose the winner after a week, 7 days after this video comes out. So we'll have a winner by then, so that will probably be about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days before the Prime sale. So I'll mention that again once we find the winner. I'll just do one of those generated link winner finders, and we'll go from there, guys. Just leave a comment down below and let me know why you want this Radiolink controller. How's this going to work for you? What are you going to use it on if you win this? That'd be pretty cool. Leave that in the comments, and I'll pick a person out of that comment right there. So leave one comment, guys, because it's only going to select one comment. So I'll do that 1 week from today of this video being released. All right, good luck, guys. And Radiolink, thanks for doing this giveaway to you awesome viewers out there. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. So subscriber appreciation is definitely appreciated, and Radiolink is going to go and say thank you to all you guys out there, and I really appreciate them doing this. And it's really awesome radio, you guys. I really like this thing. I'm going to use it on everything I could possibly put the receiver on. This thing can hold all kinds of receivers too, guys. Every one of their models, basically almost every one of their models as far as I know. And there's a lot of receiver models, so you can check it out for yourself on their link. I'll leave that down in the descriptions as well. A purchase link as well if you guys want to purchase it in case you didn't win it. So, all right, good luck, guys. God bless. Talk to you in a week. We'll find out the winner.